The Art of Decision Making and Problem Solving Using Maggie's Decision Destroyer by Wal Heinrich and EFT Master Maggie Adkins. Quick and easy decision making and problem solving with Maggie's Decision Destroyer Decision Maker, invented by Australia's EFT Master Maggie Adkins. Decision making is another fascinating usage for this amazing technique called emotional freedom techniques. Decision making using Maggie's Decision Destroyer. EFT, emotional freedom techniques, are primarily known for their ability to release pain, phobias, fear, past traumas, and negative beliefs about yourself and the world. However, making clear decisions is another fascinating usage for this amazing technique, and you can put it to good use easily in your day-to-day decision making. Decision making examples from clients. Some examples of problems clients have resolved using this easy and powerful decision making technique are: is it best for me to rent again or buy a house now? I have two possible names for my business. Which one is best? I want to go out to dinner. Is Thai or good old Aussie food best for me tonight? I don't really want to go to that meeting. Is it best for me to go or stay home? Decision making made simple. The above are just a few examples to get you started thinking about how Maggie's Decision Destroyer decision-making process can be of value to you. You can use this for any decision that you find difficult. It's just this simple. Step 1. Write down your choices. It is important that you actually write down your choices instead of just thinking about them. When you write something down, you can actually see it, and you will most probably use more descriptive and accurate words. Step 1 example. Let's say you need to choose an estate agent for the sale of a house and you aren't sure which agent to choose. You may have to decide between two or more agents. Write down each choice as below. Robbie is my estate agent. He does a great job. The house sells and I can move on. Jan is my estate agent. She does a great job. The house sells and I can move on. Please note that the above affirmations are very specific. They name the person, say he/she does a great job, the house actually sells, and the person can move on. Step 2. Find a quiet place to tap. Now that you have written your choices down in a clear affirmation, find a quiet space where you will not be disturbed for 5 to 10 minutes. Using the first affirmation, say the entire affirmation once at each of the EFT points. Tapping Points Introduction. I'll give you the tapping points here just in case you are brand new to EFT. Lightly tap with your fingertips on each EFT point about 7 to 10 times while saying your complete affirmation. While you're doing this process, tune into your inner voice and your body sensations. Often the body will get calmer or go into a little anxiety in response to this process. This is decision making by allowing the body to tell you which decision is best for you. Tapping points. Tap on these points in order while saying your affirmation once at each point. Karate chop point, the side of the hand by the little finger, in the middle between the wrist joint and the first joint for the little finger. Top of head, tap on the crown of the head. Eyebrow. Tap just above where the eyebrow starts. Side of the eye. About an inch back from where your eye ends. Under the eye. About an inch under your eye. Under your nose. In the middle of your face, just under your nose. Under your lips. Just under your lips in the middle of the face. Collarbone. Just under the beginning of the bone that goes around your neck and almost meets in the middle of your throat. Go to one side or the other and tap. Under the arm. About a hand span down from your armpit. The wrist. About where you wear a watch, on top or bottom of your arm. Step 3. How does it feel? The above is one round of EFT. Take a nice deep breath and maybe some water and see how your body feels. What is it telling you? Step 4. Repeat steps 2 and 3. After a minute or two, do the same process with the other affirmation you've written down. Note the difference in how you feel. Often there is a big difference, making decision-making easy. From step 2, using the second affirmation, say the entire affirmation once at each of the EFT points. From step 3, how does it feel? Step 5, decision-making. Most people are surprised at the difference they feel right away. If you cannot tell which decision is best for you, repeat the process. If you're brand new to this, you may need to do this 2 or 3 times. Continue listening to your inner voice and tuning into how your body feels. Tune in for decision-making. Our body is a fine diagnostic tool for how we are living our life. Yet we've tuned it out over the years and then wonder why we have pain or discomfort. If you do this process and listen to your body, you'll most probably both be surprised and amazed at how easy decision-making becomes. For more information, see Wal's site at EFTSA.com and Maggie's site at maggieadkins.com.au.